Hey there, my name's Taylor Edwards. I'm here with the customer success team from Clearstory. I manage all of our GC customer success. Today, we're going to look at how project teams can leverage our powerful allowance feature in Clearstory. We all know that tracking allowances on a job site can mean manual spreadsheets, scattered updates, ending up with surprise costs and cost overruns at the end of the job. That's why we built the allowance feature to give you a live real-time way that you can, as a GC, a sub, or an owner, manage and track your contingency, allowance, budget holds on your projects without all of the chaos that happens. So let's take a look at here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go right into my allowance log over here in Clearstory. Then what we can see is we have two different types of allowances. We have contractor allowances, we have customer allowance. Our use cases are different depending on who you are within the industry. If you're a subcontractor, you may use allowances with your customer. If you're a general contractor, you may use allowances with your customer within your GMP, and also use contractor allowances with all of your subcontractors. Easy enough. We keep a nice log of every allowance, contingency, or hold that you have on the project. Creating one is simple. I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to click create. I'm going to add a new customer allowance here. I'm going to choose my type. We're going to call this an allowance. You can also do contingency or hold if you'd like, as different buckets. I'm going to call this one here expedited turnover building A. Let's say if I track this on a PCO number, PCI number, change event number, I can put that in here if I'd like. I'll just say I'm going to track this one on my PCO number 34. We'll say our allowance bucket is $150,000. Now I add that here, simple enough. Now it's right here on my log. To add pricing to this, it's really simple. I'm just going to come over here to my change order request log. Now I navigate to a change order request that I've received from my contractors that I want to tag to that allowance. I know what my burn rate is against that bucket of money. I simply come over here to this change order request. I click the edit button. I come down here. I have the option to apply this to a given allowance. I'm going to come in here, add it to my expedited turnover building A allowance. It's going to draw down the total amount. I could edit that if I'd like. I click save. What that does is that applies it to the allowance in my allowance log. Now I can come here, click on the allowance. It's going to take me directly to that specific allowance that I applied this change order request value to, where then I can easily see how much of that dollar amount have I spent, how much is remaining. If I want to go back to my main allowance log here, I can go into any one of these and see the nice reports that we have and the amounts that we have. You can export all of these reports. So if you have meetings or you have executives or management at your company asking for you, we create nice, clean reports where you can come in, get all your details in one spot. Just takes a couple quick seconds. Rather than doing some manual updating on Excel or wasting all that time exporting from other tools, you can pull right out of Clearstory here, get that information that you need. A couple clicks of a button, you have a nice clean allowance log here that you can share with your owner, with your client, with your contractors, with all the information that you need to know. All right, that's our allowance tool. If you guys are interested in learning more, please reach out to us. We would love to walk you through a demo of Clearstory and how this can help you.